Today I will be customizing a Pepsi can, making it unique and collectible. Hi, Gleb here, let's go! I'm starting my work by creating an interesting concept. The most important thing for me is idea. I draw the first sketches with my notebook, and after that I work them out on the iPad. The Pepsi logo reminds me of the ocean, that's why I chose the marine theme for the can. I wanted to draw mermaids sitting on rocks, coins and cities in the Greek style. I will also add waves to some elements of the can, so that it would refer to the ocean. In my work, I like to use clear shapes and simple colors. Okay, let's start choosing colors. Looking around, I realized that I love pink. I will use this color in my work as one of the colors. Due to the presence of the red and blue in the Pepsi logo, I decided that colors would be the main one. I decided to choose gold because it reminds me of the treasures hiding at the bottom of the sea. The basic design is ready, and we need to know the dimensions of the can. I do this to adjust the design specifically for it. I took a sheet of paper, mark it on the main dimensions that I need, and location of the logo. Then I will transfer the sketch to the can, using the transfer method.
Oh, this is a waste of time! It will be there for you to finalize the sketch and print it! Oh!
The next step is finalization. I am finalizing sketch on the iPad, adding details and personality. I want everything to look stylish. If the background is done, I will create main illustration, the mermaid. Next, I started working on the medals on the can, in which I wanted to depict girls looking at the main illustration, which I will start working on later. I decided that such coins could be found underwater, in the ruins of the old ships. I also decided to add fire as opposite to water. The main illustration will be a mermaid. I wanted to shout out her the care and love that she gives to Cherry. I wanted to convey the sensations that the taste of the drink evokes in me. The next step is printing. I am absolutely pleased with the outcome. After everything was ready, I printed the image on thick cardboard so that it will be easier to stick them on the can. Then I use a glue stick to stick the illustration on the can. It turned out to be not so easy. I also cut the place of the logo so that we can the original colors and metallic sheen of the can. By the way, this can turned out to be so cool that I put together a whole project for the Behance. You can see this project at the link in the description. In it, I tried to reveal the project as much as possible, adding even more personality. I will be glad to see you on this platform. Let's take a look of the final result. Done! I really enjoyed working to the can label. This is an interesting experience, what I would like to repeat. Hope you like this result too. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all the next one. Bye!